Listen and read.
A. Among, damage, endangered, extinct, habitat, law, member, recycle, responsible, save. B. Among the trees, among your friends. This mountain is among the highest in the world. I know that here I am among my friends. Damage. To damage a building. To damage forest. Pollution has damaged the ecology of the place. Endangered. Endangered species. Endangered animals. Elephants in Africa are becoming endangered animals. There is a large number of endangered species of animals in the world. Extinct. Extinct animals. Extinct species. To become extinct. The Tasmanian tiger became extinct in 1936. What extinct animals can you name? Habitat. The habitat of plants. The habitat of animals. What is the natural habitat of lions? Law. Laws of nature. Good laws. To make a law. To be against the law. Killing endangered animals is against the law. Member. A member of the group. A member of the party. There are 24 members in our school English club. Recycle. To recycle waste. To recycle paper. Japan recycles 40% of its waste. Responsible. A responsible person. To be responsible for something. Who is responsible for looking after the classroom plants? Save. To save animals. To save people from danger. The house was on fire, but we saved the pictures. Only hard work can save our planet.